Hi, today we are in Golf GTI Mark 7 and I'm going to show you how to replace wiper blades, how to set the wipers into service position. All you need to do is take your key, put it in the ignition, turn the ignition on, then back off and press the wiper stalk. And we have wipers in service position right now. And now you can reach the wipers from the side, you can bend the arms, release old wiper blades and replace them with new ones. There's a button that you need to press in order to slide the wiper blade out of the arm. Okay, we are done, and now all we need to do is get inside the car, turn the ignition on and press the wiper stalk. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if this video helped you and see you soon.